ChatGPT, ChatGPT, ChatGPT. Everyone is talking about it. But why not? In just 5 days after its launch, it surpassed 1 million users. And within 2 months, it became the world's fastest growing app with 100 million users. 100 million. And if I talk about the SEO industry, there are a lot of questions going through the minds of webmasters and marketers. In this video, I'm going to answer the top 5 ChatGPT and SEO related questions and share everything you need to know about using AI for SEO. Let's begin. Is Google okay with ChatGPT? If you're looking for a one-word answer, that would be yes. Google is completely okay with the use of ChatGPT. See, some people are hailing chatbots as search engine killers. However, AI bots like ChatGPT are designed to complement, not replace traditional search engines. The best example of this is Bing. Microsoft has brought together search, browsing, and ChatGPT to revolutionize the way users interact with search engines and productivity tools. Google itself has come up with its own AI bot called Bart, which has been in the news quite a lot. So yes, Google is absolutely okay with ChatGPT, but having said that, I would add here that you have to be cautious of what you use it for. And that's what our next question is about. What ChatGPT can be used for when it comes to SEO? There are many ways to use ChatGPT for your marketing work. You can use it for content strategy development, keyword analysis, generating good SEO titles, looking into keyword alternatives, creating social media captions, crafting mailers, a better understanding of search intent, and much more. What are the pitfalls of using ChatGPT for SEO? So every coin has two sides, right? Good and bad. Using ChatGPT for SEO does offer some benefits, but it also comes with some potential challenges and limitations. Some SEO experts argue that AI generated content by ChatGPT lacks EAT. In case you don't know, this term stands for expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. These elements are essential for creating content that not only ranks well in search results, but also provides value and credibility to readers. So I would say don't bet big on ranking a ChatGPT blog on the first page of Google for competitive keywords. Also, it's not connected to the web, meaning it relies on the data it has been trained on to generate answers. It also lowers the overall quality of the search results, which can degrade your SEO game. What are the predictions related to ChatGPT and SEO? See, no crystal ball could tell how effective ChatGPT can be for SEO, but there is no denying the fact that it has already made a significant impact in a relatively short period of time. Having said that, I'll also add here that there is some risk of penalties from Google for low quality content generated by chatbots like ChatGPT. To avoid this, it's essential to add human spice before publishing AI generated content. Put simply, thoroughly review, edit, and upgrade any ChatGPT generated content to ensure that it meets standards of quality, relevance, and accuracy, which are expected by users and search engines alike. What are other apps like ChatGPT? While ChatGPT is certainly one of the most popular AI tools available today, it's not the only one. Some notable ChatGPT alternatives are ChatSonic, Jasper Chat, Bard AI, and Socratic. So we tried our best to answer the 5 most frequently asked questions regarding ChatGPT's impact on SEO. If you have any other question, do let us know in the comment section. And in case you are still skeptical about using ChatGPT, we understand your concern. To make your job easy, we offer affordable SEO services to help businesses achieve higher rankings without relying totally on AI. Our SEO packages are tailored to fit your business goals and start at just $500 per month. Let us help you reach the top of search results. Email us at hello@upreports.com for your SEO requirements and get a quick reply from our team of SEO experts. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Goodbye.